Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The best peppermint bark, Top 5 Brands 2020. Ghirardelli Peppermint Bark Squares. Ghirardelli Peppermint Bark Squares, Best Brand. Barton's Old Fashioned Peppermint Bark. Andy's Holiday Peppermint Bark Candy. Trader Joe's Old Fashioned Handmade Peppermint Bark. Godiva Peppermint Bark.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can melt peppermint candies several different ways. By baking them in the oven, just like for this candy plate. By crushing them and placing them in a double boiler. By placing them in the microwave and melting them at intervals.
Let's help you make your mark.
7. Ghirardelli Peppermint Bark. The testers who do not like white chocolate were particularly displeased with this version, agreeing that it tasted more of white chocolate than peppermint. Its tiny flecks of peppermint pleased few, though one tester praised it for being creamy, crispy, minty, chocolatey.
Make your mark, take our lead.
For peppermint oil, crush or muddle fresh peppermint leaves in a glass jar with a tight lid. Cover the leaves with olive or grapeseed oil. Close the jar and shake. Store for 3 days. Strain into a bowl and discard the leaves. Pack the jar with fresh leaves. Pour the oil back in the jar and cover with fresh oil.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In the 18 years since Williams-Sonoma first launched its peppermint bark, the brand's seen the simple, nostalgic candy go from popular stocking stuffer to cult favorite, becoming such a snowballing hit that the kitchenware company has started to view the holiday season, aka the time when retail companies everywhere are.
Let's help you make your mark.
Bark, in the chocolate bark, sense of a layer or stratum of hard or semi-hard candy in which various things, candy, nuts, etc., are embedded is definitely a figurative use of the tree skin kind of bark, based on the vague resemblance of the confection to very rough tree bark.
Let's help you make your mark.
Williams-Sonoma. In the 18 years since Williams-Sonoma first launched its peppermint bark, the brand's seen the simple, nostalgic candy go from popular stocking stuffer to cult favorite, becoming such a snowballing hit that the kitchenware company has started to view the holiday season, aka the time when retail companies everywhere are.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Storage. Peppermint bark will last longer if you do a good job melting your chocolate. I find that peppermint candies can sometimes get stale and sticky, so those might be what go bad first. My best advice is to keep your homemade peppermint bark in an airtight container in the refrigerator or freezer.
Let's help you make your mark.
7 to 10 years. You can expect it to last for 7 to 10 years if you maintain it properly. The bark mulch should have constant contact with the soil underneath and receive water regularly. This will keep the bark shredding relatively healthy and slow down the degradation.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.